Good day, students. This is Teacher RC of RM Tutorial Services. So for this day, I'm going to discuss to you the FOIL method. Okay, what is FOIL method? So FOIL, so F stands for first terms, O stands for outer terms, I stands for inner terms, and L stands for the last terms. Last terms of what? Of binomial terms. So this short video will teach you how to use this FOIL method because I know that this will help you a lot in multiplying easily and with confidence two binomial terms. So let's start with this one. So first terms again. So F, O, I, then L. So first terms we have here X and X. So X times X is equals to X squared. In law of exponent, you will just add their exponents if they are same variables. Then for the outer terms, we have here x and 2. So let's write it here, x and 2. Then multiply them, x times 2 is equals to 2x. For the inner terms, we have here 1 and x. So let's multiply them. 1 times x is simply as x. Then for the last terms, we have here 1 and 2. Then multiply 1 by 2. Then the product is 2. Now, what is next? The next one is add all of the following expressions or terms. So first terms, outer terms, inner terms, and last term. So let's add them. So x squared plus 2x plus x plus 2. Why all the expressions is positive? Why all of them are positive? Because their signs, while they're just a factors or for our factors do have only positive signs. So therefore, the expressions that we have will also be positive. Then for the last process, let's combine like terms. So here we only have x squared plus we have 2x. So 2x plus an x. So that will be 3x. So having a coefficient of 1 here, then plus 2, that is 3. Then plus 2. Then that's it. Then that is the product of x plus 1 and x plus 2. Next, x plus 4 times x minus 2. So this is what if we do have a negative number. So again, let's list it down, FOIL. So I'm using here a listing of given or identifying given numbers as part of or as one technique in solving a problem. Then x, so again, first terms, x times x. So x times x is x squared. O, so outer terms, we have negative 2 and x is equals to negative 2x. Next is for the inner terms, we have 4 and x. So 4 times x is equals to 4x. Then for the last terms, we have 4 times negative 2. So for that, multiply negative by positive, you will get a negative number. Then 2 times 4, which is 8. Afterwards, let's arrange them or add all of them plus negative 2x plus 4x plus negative 8. then x squared, then positive, negative, so that will become negative 2x plus 4x, then positive, negative, negative 8. Then combining like terms, we have x squared plus 2x because the higher number is positive, then we will follow the sign of positive. Then minus 8. Then final answer. So that's it. That's how easy FOIL method. Um, that's how easy to use FOIL method in multiplying binomial terms. So goodbye, and I hope that you learned something from this day, from this video. Thank you.